Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for October 27, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart here, so we are still hang around into the parallel channel here. So the market technically it to go sideways in the correction mode right now. However, look like we are very close to the strong support level here. So if they can hold up at the buy zone, and then the market it probably can turn around and put it up, because we are very close to the election. Plus, coronavirus it still increase every day, and we don't have a stimulus package yet, so it's a lot of uncertainty in the market. So at this moment, the market is still sideways in the channel here. So until we're able to clear this area here, and then they can break out the downtrend line here for the market to resume the uptrend. So at this moment, the market is still in the correction and rip to the downside. However, they have a strong support at this level here. Let's see the market be able to hold up and bounce it from here. Overall, if you look at the other index, they are doing well. Today, it's the bond try to put it back up when the market going down, so they try to get it up. However, they hit to the resistance here. Let's see, they will come back down, or if they gain more momentum, they have to test the upper downtrend line there. And Bitcoin also have a good time. They continue to the upside, and then they try to finish the final move here before they have some correction. Okay, if you look at the E-mini SP 500 after hour, you can see that the market is still dragged down, but they found a support here. So if they can hold at this support, they can find a way to put it back up, and then we can see from there until we clear the parallel channel here for the uptrend to continue. Okay, otherwise we can get back and test the 33.29, 33.30 right here. And for the day trading today, before the market open, we already let our members in the expert live trading room group. We know that the market is going to be very choppy today, so we already have a buy zone and sell zone ready. So every time the market open, they put it back up right into the sell zone, they slam it down right to the buy zone, and put it back and forward here. They play ping pong for the whole day until the last minute, and then the market give up. They break a buy zone here, and then they continue to the downside. And after hour, the market they try to put it back up, but it's still in the bearish side. So let's see how far they can go here. Okay, so so in our live trading room, I'm able to guide our member up and down here. And myself, when I finish the live trading room, I jump here, I take some long, some short. Total net profit for today at $2,232 for October 27. And if you look at a lot of stock, okay, on the big cap stock, even the market down today, but they still hold up pretty well. Like Apple still hanging there. They are trying to put it back up because they go to another earning on 29, so 2 more days. Let's see where the market is heading to. So Apple, Google, okay, all the big boy, they still hanging very tight. Amazon still hold up very strong there, and Facebook it's also doing extremely well there, because they just launched a new they call cloud game, so that have their product a little bit more. In terms of retail sector, a lot of stock are still doing very well. Even the Dow Day, like big loss, they put it back up again. That's another one, try to put it up. And Harley Davidson, they're now good earnings, so they continue to the upside. And the software sector, a lot of stock are still doing well also, like Shopify, they continue to gap up and shoot to the upside. Zoom is still doing very well with people stay home, working at home. So this product is very high demand right now. And the electric vehicle is still doing well today, like Tesla, okay, and that's another Chinese electric car, they do extremely well also. The airline is completely dead today. The more coronavirus, so the airline they tumble again. So look at all the Delta Airline, Southwest Airline, United Airline, they all going down again. So it takes a while until we have a vaccine to take care of the coronavirus in order for airlines to bounce back up again. Semiconductor, the AMD, they going down a little bit because they bought a Xilinx. So in the other hand, Xilinx is push it back up because they bought it out. So they shoot it up to the top right there. And AIMC, this is another TikTok, they do hold up pretty well. Okay, so right now the market is trying to go sideways, rip into the downside correction here. So let's see the market be able to hold up at this area here, which he buys on. If they can hold up here, this will be a strong support for them to rebound. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So if you are not member yet, please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I can notify you right away so that you can see where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to do day trade as well as swing trade to make some extra money for you for daily income, as well as a long-term, you select stock to buy and hold, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.